What's going on, guys? I'm trail running Mount Pisgah just outside of Eugene, Oregon, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's go. All right, everybody, I have arrived at Mount Pisgah. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna actually end up running up this. My reason for that is one of the motivational guys that my little brother follows, Cam Haines. He's a famous bow hunter and like ultra marathon runner. He's from this area, and he runs this mountain every single day. He tries to run a marathon every day. This trail is only about 3.5 miles long, so that's all I'm gonna be doing. I'm not as crazy as that, but yeah. So I'm gonna put you guys down, and I'm gonna get to running. Like I said, this video is gonna be a little bit different in that aspect, and I'm already tired and I'm just walking, so but yeah, it should be fun. Let's get after it. Also, something I realized is I have all my camera gear with me, like my drone and everything else. It's like, how am I gonna run with this stuff? But we're gonna figure it out. All right, now we're gonna start the run. And just because I know some of you guys will call me out, I am stopping every little bit to set up a drone shot or a GoPro shot. So it's not a true me running up without stopping. Very tough nevertheless. I'm even walking at some points. About 1/10 of a mile from the summit. I had to walk for a little bit. It's very tough. Very tough. I'll just leave the GoPro until I make it. Well, I made it to the summit. 1,053 feet of elevation gain. Definitely felt it. It was at about a 15 to 20% incline the whole time. Yeah, definitely very tough. I don't know how Cam Haines does that every single day, along with the 24 other miles that he runs. He's an animal. Man, I'm really not sure how just seeing views like this could ever really get old for anybody. Not for me anyways. It's beautiful up here. There's a snow-capped mountain over there. I don't know which one that is. Might be Mount Jefferson, I'm not sure. And I don't know if I explained it already, but I'm actually very close to Eugene, Oregon, which is where like the Oregon Ducks are. So yeah, pretty cool area. I haven't been down here too much. probably my fault. I need to get over here more often, but yeah, it's beautiful. Farmland, kind of a more country atmosphere, so it's very cool. All right, everybody, that was Mount Pisgah. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a different video with me attempting to run up. It was tough, but it was fun, just to do something a little bit different. And obviously the views were definitely worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.